Hook, midnight to 020. Somewhere at the farthest edge of the observable universe, NASA discovered something so strange, so terrifying, that many scientists refuse to believe it at first. A region where all laws of physics seem to break, where entire galaxies disappear, and where something massive, something unknown, is pulling matter toward it at unimaginable speeds. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is real. And today, we're going to explore this cosmic nightmare. Intro, 020 to 1 o'clock. For decades, astronomers believed the universe was predictable. Galaxies formed, stars exploded, planets collided. Everything followed the rules of gravity and physics. But then, NASA's deep space telescopes detected a mysterious region, a place colder, darker, and emptier than anywhere else in the universe. A place now known as the Great Attractor. A force so powerful it's dragging our entire galaxy toward it. Yet we have no idea what it is, or what happens when we reach it. And trust me, the deeper you go into this mystery, the more unsettling it gets. Section 1. The Impossible Discovery, 1 to 3 o'clock. Back in the late 1970s, scientists studying galaxy motion found something alarming. Thousands of galaxies, including the Milky Way, were moving toward the same point in space. And they weren't slowing down. They were accelerating. That made no sense. Gravity from galaxies around us wasn't strong enough to pull everything in one direction. Something invisible and incredibly powerful was dragging the entire region of space. NASA expected to find a cluster of galaxies, a black hole, or some normal astrophysical object. But when they pointed telescopes toward the location, they found nothing. Not darkness, not empty space, but something even more disturbing. A void, a place where light disappears, as if the universe itself is being swallowed. Section 2. The Zone of Avoidance, 3 to 5 o'clock. The worst part? This mysterious region is hidden behind the center of our own galaxy, a thick wall of dust, stars, and radiation. Astronomers call this area the Zone of Avoidance because for decades, telescopes simply couldn't see through it. It's like trying to look through a burning forest to see what's behind it. So whatever is pulling the Milky Way has been lurking behind that cosmic curtain, completely invisible to us. Finally, with infrared telescopes, NASA was able to see through the dust and gas. And what they found was not a monster galaxy or a massive black hole, but something far worse. A gigantic cosmic structure bigger than anything ever known to exist. A structure so massive, it bends space-time itself. Section 3. The Great Attractor, 5 to 7:30. This object was named, price tag the Great Attractor. It lies 150 to 250 million light-years away. And here's the terrifying part. The Milky Way is moving toward it at 600 kilometers per second. That's over 2 million kilometers per hour. But the real nightmare? We're not the only ones. Every galaxy in our region of space is falling into it, like water spiraling down a drain. Except we don't know what the drain is, or where it leads. Some scientists believe it's a massive cluster of galaxies, but data doesn't match. Some say it might be a supermassive black hole, but it's far too big. Others believe it could be a tear in space-time, or even something beyond the boundaries of our universe. Section 4. But then it got worse, 7:30 to 10 o'clock. In the early 2000s, NASA made an even more disturbing discovery. Behind the Great Attractor, farther out in the darkness, lies something even bigger and even more powerful. A cosmic monster known as the Shapley supercluster. This thing is so massive, so dense, that it dwarfs the Great Attractor itself. Imagine a structure containing 8000 plus galaxies in one region, and both of these, the Great Attractor and Shapley supercluster, are pulling our galaxy at the same time. It's like the universe is dragging us into a gravitational trap, and we have absolutely no control. Section 5. The Dark Flow, 10 to 12:30. But then, NASA's WMAP and Planck satellites detected something so bizarre that it shook the astrophysics community. A strange movement of galaxy clusters, all drifting in one direction, toward an unknown point beyond the observable universe. This is called fire the dark flow, something outside the universe, something we can't see, something beyond the cosmic horizon, is dragging matter toward it. This isn't normal physics. This isn't gravity as we know it. This is something far more terrifying. Possibilities include a parallel universe pulling on ours, a multiversal collision zone, a hyperspace anomaly, or a supervoid that leads to another region of space-time. No explanation fits, and that's what makes it terrifying. Section 6. What happens when we reach it? 1230 to 1430. Here's the reality. We are moving toward the Great Attractor. Every second, every minute, every year. But don't panic. It will take 200 billion years to reach it. Still, if the Great Attractor is, have a checkmark a massive supercluster, we'll be absorbed into it. Have a checkmark a cosmic void. We'll enter a region where galaxies vanish. Have a checkmark a supermassive black hole. Our galaxy will stretch and evaporate. Have a checkmark a tear in space-time. We might fall into another universe. Have a checkmark a multiversal boundary. Physics will break down completely. No one knows. And that's the most terrifying part. Ending. 1430 to 3 p.m. The universe is beautiful, but it's also horrifying when you truly understand it. A mysterious force is dragging our galaxy toward a cosmic destination we cannot see and cannot escape. Are we heading toward a cluster of galaxies, a cosmic abyss, a universal boundary, or something far beyond human imagination? The truth is, NASA doesn't know. Scientists don't know. No one knows. But the universe is moving, and we are moving with it, whether we like it or not.